Welcome to Stowed Stuff Daily Vlogs!
Good morning, guys. Snowstorm. Piper's trying to catch the snowflakes. Piper, is it snowing? What are you doing?
Playing with boobs.
Guys, I don't know where you came from. Do you have boobs?
Everyone's getting a call. A bunch of people.
Yeah, we're waiting on the call for school tomorrow. Here, it's about to ring. I don't know why we wouldn't have gotten the call.
A recording or
It's always a recording, yeah, so you can put it on speakerphone
Mommy,
when she calls.
here we go.
Go where?
Poop. What's that for poop?
Andrew, stop being fresh, okay? No one likes it,
Toot.
okay?
Why are we all getting it at different times?
I don't know, but I called it, right? I called it first. I said there'll probably be no school on Friday. So now you have 2 days to make up already. Kinda bad. What'd they say?
What's that?
How come it's not ringing? Kinda weird.
I think it starts with Punta Cana.
Oh, you wanna go to Punta Cana?
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
Tomorrow.
You wanna go to Nickelodeon, the Nickelodeon resort?
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
We need to go on the airplane.
Yes. I would love to go.
I want to go on an airplane. Do you like airplanes? Yes. Yeah. They give you free snacks.
They do? Hardly.
Mommy.
They used to,
Mommy.
back in the day.
You know there's actually, you can sit and there's like a slime thing,
Yeah,
and the slime goes on your head.
really?
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
I found it. We dropped it in there.
Look, they're all huddled over here, hunkering down. How was it out there sledding? Good. They're hoping and praying for a snow day.
Yes.
Plow guy is still going out there. He's still plowing.
There's definitely going to be a snow day.
You think there's snow school tomorrow?
Like 20 houses now.
What do you think, Andrew?
Yeah.
You think there's going to be school tomorrow for these guys? You do? Still snowing, guys. Check this out. So this is our deck, and this is how high the snow is on our deck. That's really, really high. And it's still snowing. We have not gotten the call on school yet tomorrow. That was like a hoax. I guess the police department put out like our early notification on social media, and then they took it down real quick, and we're like, oops, no, just kidding. School hasn't been decided yet. But plow guys were here.
We found a fidget.
And they couldn't stay out really long because it's like still coming down, and it's, you know, not fun to be in it when it's coming down sideways and wind chills.
Well, actually, I told them to move. The plow guy was coming.
Well, yeah, the plow guy was coming too, but it's still crazy. But our day was just basically all snow, and, you know, just watching the snow come down. That's what we did. What were we gonna say, guys?
I have a question.
What's your question?
Wait, so John,
Did you?
Barcelona's called the same?
Oh, the questions to the giveaway? Yeah, the answers are rolling in on the giveaway. Everyone is, I got all these emails rolling in, and so far everyone has it right. So don't forget to enter the contest. Yes. I love you too, buddy. You going to soccer? What time is soccer?
Okay, this
He's got his wristbands on.
100.
Yeah, you have to.
Really, Emily? Because I had plugged them in to charge, and you just took it off like way too early.
Was in the
I'll charge it for you, my dear.
I'll give you one.
Emily, I like your slippers. Thanks.
It's on.
It's on.
Foxboro families and staff. This is Amy Burnos, the superintendent of schools. All Foxboro schools will be closed tomorrow, Friday, January 5th, 2018. After speaking with town officials, there is not adequate time to ensure all sidewalks and side roads will be clear in time for school. As a result, I have decided to cancel school for the safety for all students and staff. All after-school and evening athletics are also canceled for tomorrow.
For tomorrow, I don't have any basketball.
Dangerously cold.
Dangerously cold. Guess you're sleeping over, Mikey. No school. Yeah. Glad you guys got your homework, did?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh my god, you're so close.
Kind of.
Yay. Hey guys, snowstorm crazy. I'm going to bed. I gotta make sure this cold goes away. Look how red my eye is. What's going on over there? Anyway, big, humongous shout out to Lori N. We got your gift that you emailed us. Oh my goodness. We're all excited. And you did not have to do that. That was super special, super sweet, and we totally appreciate it and wanted to thank you. So Lori, thank you so much. We can't wait to use it. Guys, send in your short clips. Turn your phone landscape or your iPad and just record away. 12 seconds, 10 seconds, short, easy. Welcome to Stowed Stuff Daily Vlogs. Tell us who you are. Give us a little intro. Email it to fans@stowedstuff.com. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Love you guys. We appreciate you. We thank you so much for watching and for subscribing and hitting that gray notification bell. And we can't wait to see you tomorrow. Love you guys. Hunker down. Stay warm. Hope you're not out in this crazy storm. 2 days off. Didn't I call it? 2 nights ago. I called this. Knew this was going to happen. 2 days no school. 2 days to make up in the summer.